Hello, gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel today. I know exactly what you are thinking right now. 65 years old already. Do I still have any chance left? Or have I become completely invisible in the crowd? I truly understand that feeling, my dear gentlemen. The world out there is so loud and so rushed. Young women are energetic and radiant. And you are just standing there, quietly observing everything, feeling outdated, feeling like you have lost all of your charm. But gentlemen, please listen to me carefully. The truth is the complete opposite of that. Your age is actually your weapon. It is just like a fine bottle of vintage wine. The longer it ages, the richer the flavor becomes. The only question is whether you know how to uncork the bottle properly. Today, I am going to share a real secret with you. A very practical psychological formula. It is called X+1. This formula will change everything in your life. It does not require you to be extremely wealthy. It does not require you to be handsome. It only requires you to understand a little bit about human nature. That is all. It is really that simple. Are you ready, gentlemen? Let us begin together right now. Before we dive into the main content, do you know one very important thing? We only have a mere 7 seconds to work with. That is right. Exactly 7 seconds, my friends. That is the window of time to make a first impression. Young American women are extremely sharp and observant. They live in a world that moves too fast. They scan your signals incredibly quickly. So where do they look first? Take a guess, gentlemen. Is it the expensive watch on your wrist? Is it the polished leather shoes on your feet? No, not at all, my dear gentlemen. They actually look at your hands first. Why is it the hands? You might ask. Let me explain this to you clearly. Because the human brain is very primitive at its core. It wants to know if you are safe or not, whether you might be hiding any kind of weapon, whether you are a person who can be trusted. So here is your very first lesson today. Always keep your hands visible at all times. Do not stuff your hands into your pockets for too long. Do not cross your arms defensively over your chest. Open up your palms when you speak to someone. That is the universal signal of honesty. That is the very beginning of true masculine charm. Let me tell you a little story now, gentlemen. I have a dear uncle named Uncle Robert. He is 68 years old this year. He lives in the city of San Jose, California. His wife passed away about 5 years ago. For all of those 5 years, he lived very closed off. He thought his life was completely over. Until one day, he came to me for advice. I taught him just one single thing. That was to open his palms when speaking. 2 weeks later, he called me on the phone. His voice was as joyful as a 10-year-old boy. He said there was a young waitress at a coffee shop. She had started chatting with him on her own, just because of that one tiny little change. Do you see what I mean, gentlemen? Sometimes the secret is surprisingly simple. All right, now let us get into the main part. Let us talk about the X+1 formula. This is truly the key to magnetic attraction. The X here represents the minimum behavior. It is the normal social script that everybody follows. Let me give you an example so you understand. Imagine you are standing inside an elevator. Everyone around you is standing in complete silence. That silence right there is the X. It is the most basic social baseline. But people who have real charisma are different. They do not stop at that level of X. They add a small +1 on top of it. A simple action, but with very clear intention behind it. Imagine this scene along with me right now. A young woman walks into the elevator with you. She is wearing an unusual bracelet on her wrist. Do not just stand there frozen like a statue. Execute that little +1 immediately. You turn slightly to look at her. Smile in a very gentle and warm way. You mention that her bracelet looks really special. Just one short sentence. That is all you need. Then you turn back and become quiet again. Do you see what just happened right there? You just broke the standard social script. You did not demand anything from her at all. You simply gave a little bit of positive energy. No expectations, no pressure, no agenda whatsoever. And here is the magical part, gentlemen. She will see you as very confident. She will see you as observant and refined. And most importantly, you feel completely safe. Try applying this at a Starbucks coffee shop. The X is ordering your drink and paying for it. The +1 is asking the young barista a question. A genuinely sincere question about her day. Are you tired today, sweetheart? How late does your shift run today? Just one small question like that. Everyone around you will start to notice you. You are no longer the invisible old man. You become a man full of vibrant energy. Do you find this difficult to do, gentlemen? Please comment right below to let me know. I really want to hear about your experiences. I read every single comment. I never miss a single one. All right, let us continue moving forward. Coming up next is a much bigger secret. It is about the balance between two extremes. On one side is warmth. On the other side is competence. There is a very famous research study out there. It comes from the prestigious Princeton University. They found that 82% of all judgments are based on these two factors alone. Older gentlemen like you are usually very strong here. You have a stable and rock-solid career history. You have deep wisdom about life itself. That is a tremendous advantage for you. But what is the biggest mistake you make, you ask? It is that you focus too heavily on just that one side. You talk far too much about your own success. You speak about your company, your assets, your status. You accidentally come across as the big boss. That makes you appear cold and distant. Young women will feel an enormous amount of pressure. They will see you as remote and hard to approach. So where exactly is the key, gentlemen? The key lies in genuine warmth. Warmth means being friendly, approachable, and pleasant. How do you actually convey that kind of warmth? Use your eye contact in a very skillful way. Do not stare at her 100% of the time. That is genuinely frightening to most women. Hold eye contact about 60 to 70% of the time. Enough to create connection while still feeling comfortable. When she speaks, you look directly into her eyes. When you speak, occasionally glance away for a moment, as if you are deeply thinking about something. Then use the technique I call the 3 nods. This is a very subtle but powerful technique. When she is in the middle of telling a story, you nod your head gently 3 times in a row. 1, 2, 3. That tiny action sends a very powerful message. You are genuinely listening to what she is saying. You want her to keep telling you more of her story. When you successfully combine both of these elements, you are talented and kind at the very same time. You become a true magnet that draws people in. Young women will feel deeply at ease around you. They see you as a solid, dependable pillar, but not the cold kind of pillar like a bank vault, a pillar full of genuine affection and love. Let me continue with another story for you. There was a viewer of mine named David. He was a retired doctor living down in Texas. David was an extremely accomplished gentleman, but he was always painfully lonely, my friends. Every time he met a woman, he talked about his career. He talked about the complex surgeries he had performed. He talked about his big 4-bedroom house. The result was that no woman ever stayed for long. I gave him just one piece of advice. Next time you meet someone, do not talk about yourself. Ask about her and use the 3-nod technique. That is all you need to do. 6 months later, David sent me a thank you email. He had a new girlfriend in his life. She was 22 years younger than him, and they were living very happily together. Do you see now, gentlemen? The secret is truly not about money at all. Now I want to talk about another concept. It is called the resonant listener. That name might sound a bit unusual to you, but it is extremely important, my dear gentlemen. Most people in this world want to shine brightly. They want to be the most interesting talker in the room. They want to be the center of the universe. They want every pair of eyes locked onto them. But truly captivating people are very different. They do not try to appear interesting at all. They choose to appear interested in others instead. This is a small distinction, but it is enormous. Do not talk about your old trip to Paris from years ago. Do not talk about your beach house down in Florida. Ask her about what her dreams are. Ask her what kinds of books she enjoys reading. Let her become the main character of the conversation. Attention is a true love language. Let me repeat that important sentence one more time. Attention is a true love language, gentlemen. When you focus completely on her in the moment, she will feel truly special and seen by you. Put your cell phone away to the side. Do not glance at your watch every few minutes. Be fully present in every single moment together, as if the whole world contains only 2 people. That is what real charm truly looks like. It is more valuable than any material gift in the world, because time is the one thing money cannot buy. Are you still following along with me, gentlemen? If you find this helpful, please hit the like button. One small like is huge motivation for me to keep creating quality videos just like this one. All right, let us move on to an even more interesting part. Now we are getting into an incredibly clever technique. It goes by a rather unusual name. It is called the IKEA effect. Do you know the furniture company IKEA? They sell affordable furniture all across America. But the catch is that customers must assemble it themselves. Why do we love those pieces of furniture so much? Because we assembled them with our own 2 hands. We invested our own effort into building them. We poured our sweat and time into each piece. So we treasure that piece of furniture more deeply. Human psychology in love works the very same way. We treasure the things we have personally invested in. We love the people we have put effort into. Older gentlemen often make one common mistake. You love to spoil young women with everything. You buy them very expensive gifts constantly. You pay for every single meal together. You do absolutely everything for her on your own. But gentlemen, you are doing this all wrong. Please flip this entire formula upside down. Let her be the one who helps you sometimes. Ask her to do a few small little things for you. Here is an example for you, gentlemen. Ask her to help you pick out an outfit. Ask her to show you how to use a new app. Ask for her opinion on a decision you are making. When she spends her time helping you with something, she is unknowingly investing into the relationship. Her brain will start convincing itself unconsciously, I am putting real effort into this man, so he must truly be very special to me. This is the fastest way to build genuine trust. Learn how to ask for those little favors. Do not be afraid to make small requests. Do not be afraid to let her take care of you a little. Do not forget to hit like if you find this interesting. And share this with your friends of the same age group. This knowledge is truly priceless, gentlemen. All right, here comes the climax of this video. The part I want you to focus on the most. This is a secret that very few people admit. It goes against everything you have ever thought. Are you ready to hear it, gentlemen? You always try to appear perfect in front of women. You are afraid of looking even slightly weak. You are afraid of making any kind of mistake. You are afraid of being judged as the doddering old man. But here comes the surprising twist for you. Perfection itself is the biggest barrier of all. It creates a sense of distance and fakeness. It makes her too intimidated to come close to you. In psychology, there is a very famous effect. It is called the Pratfall effect. If a competent person makes a small little mistake, the people around them find them far more endearing. A little clumsiness while brewing a cup of coffee. A gentle, self-deprecating joke about your own age. Forgetting the name of some young, famous singer. These small things make you seem more human. Young women are not looking for a perfect saint. They are not searching for a cold marble statue. They are looking for a real flesh and blood human being. Someone who dares to live truthfully as himself. Do not be afraid to admit you do not know something. Do not be afraid to ask her to repeat herself. Do not be afraid to say, "Oh, I don't know that one. Can you show me?" There is a beautiful quote from Leonard Cohen. He said, "There is a crack in everything. That is how the light gets in." I truly love that quote, my dear gentlemen. It is the cracks on the surface of your armor that become the place where light enters her heart. And that is also where true affection begins to bloom. Let me share one more story with you. There was a viewer of mine named Robert. He was 71 years old, living in Florida. He used to be a very successful attorney. He always dressed perfectly and impeccably every day. His hair was always slicked back with gel, but nobody ever came close to him in life. Women looked at him like they would look at a precious gem. Beautiful to look at, but nobody dared to touch. I gave him one piece of very simple advice. Next time you go to a coffee shop, stop being so perfect. Wear a slightly wrinkled shirt for once. It is fine. Admit that you do not know how to use Instagram. Laugh at yourself when you accidentally drop a spoon. A few weeks later, he called me on the phone. He told me about a young barista at the coffee shop. She sat down and chatted with him for over an hour, all because he admitted he did not know how to use TikTok. She voluntarily helped him set up the app on his phone. Do you see now, gentlemen? The crack is exactly where the light gets in. All right, my dear gentlemen, we have traveled a long road together today. Now I will summarize the 4 key points for you. Number 1. Apply the X+1 formula every day. Always do just a little bit more than the bare minimum. One smile, one compliment, one question. Number 2, balance between warmth and competence. Be a man who is both kind and capable at once. Do not brag too much about your past success. Number 3, become the resonant listener I described. Give her your complete and undivided attention. Let her be the main character of the moment. Number 4, do not be afraid to show your imperfections. Let her see the real human being inside you. The cracks are exactly where the light pours in. Gentlemen, I want to tell you one last thing. Real attractiveness does not lie in your age. It does not lie in your face or your body. It lies in the energy that you radiate outward. It lies in the way you treat the people around you. 65 years old is not the ending point. It is a new chapter of your beautiful life. A chapter full of experience and deep understanding. A chapter where you deserve to be loved. Step outside into the world right now today. Perform just one single +1 action first. It does not need to be big or grand. It does not need to be impressive at all. Maybe it is a compliment to a complete stranger. Maybe it is a warm and genuine smile. Maybe it is a kind question to the cashier. Start with the very smallest things possible, gentlemen. Can you do this, my dear gentlemen? I truly believe with all my heart that you can. Comment the words, "I am ready," right down below. Treat that as a promise to your own self. Do not forget to hit subscribe so you do not miss out. I still have so many secrets to share with you. We will be meeting again very, very soon. I wish you a day filled with pure inspiration. I wish you more confidence with each passing day. I love you all, my dear gentlemen, uncles and friends. Goodbye for now. And I will see you again in the very next video.